What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano, because on a daily time frame we took really important liquidity under this previous important support, which is between level 0.373 and 0.355, and right now there is pretty high probability that we are gonna test the liquidity in this bearish order block, and if certain conditions are met, I am planning to open some trading position on this coin. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, and also if you are interested about the exact price that I think that Cardano is gonna hit in the upcoming bull market, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a daily time frame. As I said, we took really important liquidity under this previous support area, and right now there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are gonna test the liquidity in this bearish order block. This bearish order block is between level 0.5216 and 0.4955, and opening, for example, a long position right now is, in my opinion, not a good idea, because the main stop loss that you should use with a trade like this needs to be like under this previous low. So right now it's not giving us even like a positive risk to reward. So the first possible opportunity to open here a long trade will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block, which means that we need to take the liquidity above this previous important highs, and after that we need to confirm here a support, at least on a daily time frame. And if this condition is met, then this can be first interesting opportunity to open here a long position, and the main take profit targets will be above this next bearish order block, which is between level 0.7728 and 0.7354. And the reason why I am placing the last take profit target above this order block is that in case of a testing, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are just gonna swipe the liquidity above this area, and then the market can reverse back down. Another thing is that with a trade like this, you need to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take like under this previous important support, because right now it will be definitely like an important resistance. Then for example, like under this high, then definitely some of the profits under this bearish order block, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio like 7.62, the risk reward ratio will be like 5, which is, in my opinion, really good. So yeah, this is first potential trade that you can take on this coin. Another potential trade that we can take on this coin will be valid in case of a retest and a support confirmation of this previous important support. So if the market will do simply something like this and there will be a support confirmation, then this can be another really good opportunity for a long trade. The entry will be, as I said, after a support confirmation. Stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we created during this fake out, so the stop loss will be, in my opinion, really safe, and the lasting profit targets again you can place like above this bearish order block. The biggest advantage of this trade is that the risk reward ratio is similar as the previous trade, but the stop loss here is much better, because the stop loss is like almost 15% of the net market, so there is really small chance of getting liquidated. And again, in this trade it's really important to take multiple take profit targets, so definitely some of the profits take like under this bearish order block, because this will be like an important resistance, and then the remaining take profit targets can remain the same. If we take a look on the weekly time frame, you can see that we took here really important liquidity, because we took the liquidity under like these two previous weekly candles. So right now, if there will be like an increased bullish volume, which I think is really possible, because you can see this current weekly candle had like 33% of the net market. So yeah, Cardano is right now definitely overperforming the whole market, of course, in the short time perspective. In the long time perspective, this coin is still really undervalued, but this, on the other hand, is giving us really good opportunity for a potential long trade. So if you want to create here like a long-term long position, because there are some new interesting fundamental things about Cardano, and also the chart is also looking really good, then you can, for for example, speculate here, in my opinion, definitely for like a $1 mark. I think there is pretty high probability that Cardano will reach this price in the upcoming bull market. And if you want to be, let's say, more bullish, you can, for example, speculate on like 1.2 or like 1.4, something like that. If you are asking if I think that Cardano is gonna hit the previous all-time high in the upcoming bull market, well, me personally, I wouldn't bet my money on it. It's definitely possible because historically you can see Cardano can do really huge moves in relatively short time. But again, I need to say it, and I said it in the like previous Cardano analysis, I don't think there is that high probability that we are gonna reach this current all-time high. So if I will decide it to open here some trading position, it will be most probably some trading position that I showed you on the daily time frame. And if I will decide it to open here, let's say some long-term long position, which I probably won't, then I would speculate for like areas around like 1.2 or like $1.4. And of course, it will probably take at least couple of months until we will get there. Okay guys, if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.